Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Arnisa, a first year MBBS student. In this video, I am going to put few questions from the chapter Reproduction in Organism. Most of the students generally ignore this chapter, but don't do this mistake. Questions come from this chapter. The questions which I will be putting here are those which I used to wrote on my NCERT book. So now for my ease, I have written them on the notebook so that I can display them in front of you on this platform. See. So what you have to do in this video is that you have to simply listen to the question, then option and pause the video. Then you have to wait for a while, think about the correct answer, and then you have to play the video and know whether you have opted for the correct or the incorrect option. So now without wasting too much time, let's begin. The first question is, what is the number of layers of hard covering that is formed during incestation of amoeba? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. The correct answer is option C 3. During unfavorable conditions, amoeba withdraws its pseudopodia and secretes a 3-layered hard covering or cyst, and this process is called incestation. Basically, during favorable conditions, amoeba just reproduce by minute spores, and those spores are known as pseudopodiospores. Now the second one. Which among the following is or are bisexual animals? A. Tapeworm, B. Sponge, C. Leech, D. All of the above. So what are bisexual organisms? Those organisms which have both male and female reproductive organs in them. Bisexual organisms are also known as hermaphrodite. So in this bisexual organisms, tapeworm, leech, sponges, earthworm come. Now the next one. The most vital event of sexual reproduction is A. Formation of gametes, B. Fusion of gametes, C. Formation of zygote, and D. Formation of embryo. Here the correct option is B. Fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes means syngamy, or we can also call it fertilization, is the most crucial and critical event in sexual reproduction. Now the fourth one. Number of organisms showing parthenogenesis among turkey, rotifers, honeybee and some lizards are A 1, B 2, C 3 and D all. So the correct answer is D all. What is parthenogenesis? Parthenogenesis is the term when female organism develops its new organism without any fertilization. So both the all of the above, like turkey, rotifers, some lizards, do parthenogenesis. Now the fifth one. Which structure is universal in all sexually reproducing organisms? A. Gamete, B. Zygote, C. Embryo, D. Germ cells. So the correct answer is B. Zygote. Zygote is the diploid cell. It's the vital thing which is the connecting link between the two generations. Now the last one. Which structure is progenitor of the next generation? A. Germ cell, B. Embryo, C. Zygote, D. all. So here the correct option is B. Embryo. Embryo is the progenitor of the next generation, and it is present inside the mature seed. I hope that these questions were helpful for you. If it was very good for you, if this video was good for you, then let me know in the comment section, and also tell me that further from which chapter you want this type of videos. Share it with your friends, subscribe the channel so that you do not miss the next video of mine. Until I upload the next video, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you and all the best.